Hi, Shane from 105.1 The Blaze. Have you ever thought, man, if I only knew how to make a Bergamot Sour? Well, we're going to teach you that live here at Lucy's Lounge in the Tower District with Sarah Primavera.
Hi everyone again. So here's another cocktail from us. This one is a Bergamot Spring Sour. It is currently on our menu. And so we're going to start with some fresh rosemary. Fresh is always the best. And then we're going to put a little bit of star anise in there. You don't want to put too much, just one little piece or two. Then we're going to take an ounce and a half of Buffalo Trace, an ounce of Italicus, which is a bergamot liqueur. Now typically I do egg whites in my sours. This one I did not. We're going to do a 1/4 ounce of yellow chartreuse, and do be diligent and make sure it's only a 1/4 ounce because it is a very strong flavor and it will overpower the drink. An ounce of fresh lemon juice, a 1/4 ounce of fresh orange juice, and an ounce of simple syrup. And you do need that sugar to balance the acid in it or it won't come out quite right. Now we're going to put a little bit of ice in here. We are then going to double strain this cocktail right into the glass. And it's important to double strain this one as well because there's the rosemary and you don't really want to have that in your cocktail. It's not going to be fun to be chewing on rosemary while trying to enjoy your cocktail. I like to garnish this one with a fresh sprig of rosemary. And we get fancy sometimes. So we did a little dehydrated blood orange. And then right on top, you're gonna put another little star anise. And as you finish the cocktail, that star anise is gonna continue to change the flavor profile of the cocktail. And then we're just gonna spray it on the top with a little yellow chartreuse, and that's gonna give a nice nose to the cocktail. Very herbaceous. And that is our Bergamot Spring Sour.